Alright, today I've got a Ruger SR22. This is my favorite 22 that I own. It's very accurate, very reliable. I'm just going to show you how to take it down. Today it's very easy. So of course we're going to eject the magazine, and we're going to make sure the weapon is clear. Alright, now it has a little lever right here that you can just put your, if I can get it on a video, just put your fingernail in and flip that down, and it's ready to come apart. You're going to take it, the slide back, try to do this where you can see it, and then out it comes. So you have the spring, it has a fixed barrel, so you can clean it relatively easily. Putting it back together can be a little bit tricky, but there is a spot right there that has a little circle below the barrel, and that is where the solid end goes. And then you just gotta get everything lined up on the front end, and once you get the barrel through, just slide it back and push down. And of course, don't forget to put that takedown switch back up. It's ready to go. Ready to have the magazine put back in. And that is a loaded firearm. Thank you.